Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rajesh Agrawal, Faculty of BA Department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on editing in cinema. It is a most important component of cinematography. Film editing is the connecting of one or more shots together in a sequence. A film editor is a person who practices film editing by assembling separate takes into a coherent film. Film editing is part of the creative post-production process of filmmaking. The film editor works with the raw footage, selecting shots and combining them into sequences to create a finished product. Film editing is often referred to as the invisible art because when it is well practiced, the viewer can become so engaged that he or she is not even aware of the editor's work. In filmmaking, the editor plays a dynamic and creative role. The job of an editor is not to simply mechanically put pieces of a film together, cut off film slates, or edit dialogue scenes. A film editor must creatively work with the layers of images, story, dialogue, music, pacing, as well as actors' performance to effectively reimagine and even rewrite the film to craft a cohesive whole. Film editing is an art that can be used in diverse ways. It can create sensually provocating montages, become a laboratory for experimental cinema, bring out the emotional truth in an actor's performance, create a point of view on otherwise obtuse events, guide the telling and pace of a story, create an illusion of danger where there is none, give emphasis to things that would not have otherwise been noted, and even create a vital subconscious emotional connection to the viewer among many other possibilities. Types of editing. Chronological editing. Editing that follows the logic of a chronological narrative. One event follows subsequently from another, and time and space are logically and unproblematically represented. Cross-cutting or parallel editing, the linking up of two sets of action, those run concurrently and are independent within the narrative. Continuity editing. The purpose of continuity editing is to smooth over the inherent discontinuity of the editing process and to establish a logical coherence between shots. In most films, logical coherence is achieved by cutting to continuity, which emphasizes smooth transitions of time and space. Continuity cuts. These are cuts takes us seamlessly and logically from one sequence or scene to another. This is an unobtuse cut that serves to move the narrative along. Match cut. Match cut is a cut in film editing between either two different objects, two different spaces, or two different compositions in which an object in the two shots graphically match, often helping to establish a strong continuity of action and linking the two shots metaphorically. Jump cut. The opposite of a match cut, the jump cut is an abrupt cut between two shots that calls attention to itself because it does not match the shots seamlessly. It makes a transition in time and space but is called jump cut because it jars the sensibilities. It makes the spectator jump and wonder where the narrative has go to. The 30-degree rule. The 30-degree rule is a basic film editing guideline that states the camera should move at least 30 degrees between shots of the same subject occurring in succession. If this rule isn't followed, a jump occurs and there is a risk that the audience starts focusing on the filming technique instead of the story that is being narrated. The 30-degree change of perspective makes the shots different enough to avoid a jump. Following this rule may soften the effect of changing shot distance, such as changing from a medium shot to close-up or extreme close-up. The 180 degree rule is a basic guidelines regarding the on-screen spatial relationship between a character and another character or object within a scene. An imaginary line called the axis connects the characters, and by keeping the camera on one side of this axis or every shot of the scene, the first character will always be frame right of the second character, who is then camera passes over the axis. It is called jumping the line or crossing the line. I hope you have understood the topic editing in cinema. Please like, share and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you very much.